Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com. Up first, a gruesome home attack in Trelawny has left a 15-year-old dead and her mother as well as another female relative in serious condition in hospital. They were attacked while they slept. The victims were dragged from their house in Albertown, beaten and at least one raped. 15-year-old Jamila Cole was weeks away from reuniting with friends at Troy High School when the new school year begins September. But that reunion won't happen because the 15-year-old succumbed to wounds sustained in a deadly home invasion in Albertown, Trelawny Sunday morning. Her mother and another relative remain in hospital after the three were attacked and severely beaten while they slept.
Blood up. So you try and get Italy.
This relative showed her news team where the intruders gained entry through this window at the back of their house. She told us they were dragged from the house into bushes while being beaten and at least one was raped.
The other one saying run, because they attempt him to rape him, but he couldn't get through. So then she run.
Oh, so you did speak to one of them?
Yeah, me speak to her.
The one who?
The one what did run? Me talk to her at the hospital and she say she did run. So then she couldn't get to rape her.
It's understood Jamila died in hospital Sunday night. The teen's 39-year-old mother and her 17-year-old cousin were also physically assaulted by the intruders, but the 17-year-old escaped and raised an alarm. Shirley Cole is the father of the 15-year-old girl. He spoke with her team by phone.
God Almighty, when I look for my daughter down there, I look for my daughter, I sit up here and say, no, George, I'm going to raise it to father. Father alone can't manage it, we can't manage it. Color change, when I look at my daughter, color change, and he can't talk.
He believes the matter is linked to a domestic dispute.
This incident come off of some feelings. They might be everybody of my child don't know nothing about. Can you see what I see? Oh, I see them beat them in the head and jam like for all long out of the house, can't know and now I'm going. Somebody who know about the house, man, I know straight to come from far, like a little back window around at the kitchen part of the world.
It's reported that the woman and teenagers were at home in Cotton Tree about 2 a.m. when two masked men broke into the dwelling. They were repeatedly hit with blunt objects.